The bigger, the better. Diesel engines are incredible feats of engineering and design. They require the proper hands-on training to diagnose and fix problems in the shop or out on the job site. Whether it's on-road or off-road, Minnesota State takes you on a step-by-step, comprehensive experience to see what it takes to provide the best repairs in the diesel world. Working directly with industry leaders, along with access to the most cutting-edge technology, we give you the training you need to work on this larger-than-life equipment. Keep your career interesting and ever-changing with a new challenge every day. Your high-torque lifestyle and heavy truck and diesel equipment starts at Minnesota State.